That is JP Cooper taking back, I think it was 2017 with September Song. A very soulful guy that one is, and he likes to sing with his choir, and he definitely blends his voice very well. Now, a Friday like these, we like to have a conversation with someone, and we find out a little bit of what special thing they do in our communities that we ought to know about. The lines open on the same number, so 0393 You want to ask a question? You want to, comment? You want to say something? We welcome that very much. All through the show, all through the hour until 9 a.m. We will be having a conversation with him. And I want to go straight into it to have him introduce himself and then what exactly he does. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
It's good to have you here.
Thank you very much.
Yes, please. Who do we have here? Your name and what you do.
Yes, simply you can call me Afando Jok,
Okay.
but my full name is Jok Simon Peter.
Okay.
I'm a security officer attached to Security Group Africa and also ICT instructor first taking PTC Group.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. ICT instructor. Okay. So what are we here to talk about today? There's something else you do besides, being a security guard. There's something else you do with your spare time. So what is that we need to know about?
Oh yes. As part of my work, like individual work, what I do based on the education or my academic background, I did computer science from Bull University.
Okay.
So all this round, like I graduated in 2017, then I started like the usual way, the mindset we have. If you are graduated, then you start looking for jobs.
Yes.
So for the past 4 years, I've been trying to look for jobs, which is really in line with my profession. But I don't know if it is a bad luck or I don't know how to describe it. I was not able to be even shortlisted for interviews. When I just joined the university, I was year one. In year one, I started working as a security officer. So as I was studying, I was working at night as a security officer. Still the job I'm still working in up to now. So on the 23rd September 2021, that is the day I had a mindset change from job seeking to job creation. So on that very day, I initiated a company called Jok-Code AI.
Jok-Code, how do you spell that?
Jok dash CODE.
Jok-Code.
Yes.
Okay.
Jok-Code AI. AI is artificial intelligence in full.
Okay.
So I initiated this company with a mission to accelerate the development of artificial intelligence in Africa by providing a data-centric end-to-end solution to manage the entire machine learning life cycle.
Okay.
So artificial intelligence is teaching the machine to do what humans can do. So that means like if one Mega 100 needs a cleaner, maybe if they get a robot, then they no longer need a cleaner. The cleaner will do that work for them. So there are a lot of things artificial intelligence can do. So since that day, 23rd September 2021, I've been building on this company. I'm trying to lay the strategies to make this company exist 10, 50, 100, 200 years to come, even when I'm not there. The company should be in operation and changing the community around us. Yes.
Okay. All right. You decided to, with that mentality, because you're not getting a job, you're going to create one for yourself, change that mindset. But what is the purpose of you forming this company? What is your goal with this company?
Yes, the goal is to transform the community.
Okay.
That day, I posted on my social media that using a hashtag, I'm no longer looking for jobs, but creating one or many. That means creating one, I'm creating for myself. First of all, the goal is to create job for myself.
Yes.
Then afterward, for many, that means I'm creating jobs for my fellow young Africans. Yes.
Okay. All right. So, how in this way do you intend to create jobs for people? If I am one person you're targeting, how do I benefit from that?
So, first of all, maybe let me go straight direct to what the strategies I'm trying to come up with. So from 1st to 31st December 2021, I started a project called Mindset Change for Young Africans, where I records a video between 5 to 10 minutes telling young people in Africa how they can be innovative, how they can look things around them, how they can see things in a positive growth mindset change. So that means if you are able to develop the positive growth mindset, you will be able to see beyond the challenges you are facing. Because currently we see in Africa there's shortage of jobs. We don't have enough jobs for us, and in the future will even be worse. So that means if we look just that challenge and we don't look beyond that challenge, then definitely we will not create jobs for ourselves. We will still continue to be in the same problem year in, year out. But if we develop the mindset we need, definitely we will start seeing beyond the challenges we have. We have a lot of challenges, even at our home. From ourselves, if we change our mind, definitely we will start seeing changes around the community, changes around our environment, and we will be creative. Then another thing is, as a company, I'm introducing a new project called online ICT online training. So this is basically targeting any category, being a young people, being a young person, you are working or you are not working, in consideration that the level of technology is still very low, and yet technology is employing many people. And if you're applying for a job, definitely if you have ICT knowledge, you already have an added advantage. So this course is targeting those people, also putting into considerations we are not able to afford computers because they are very expensive. And if you want to study computers, maybe you need to go to a school or institution which is offering the course, or you go to a computer center where the owner can teach you how to use computer. But this project is going to teach people using their smartphones. We believe, or it is actually everyone knows that majority of people nowadays have access to smartphones.
Yes.
So smartphone is a computer. There are a lot of applications which can be used in a smartphone the same way they're used in computer. So I found it that I can use my smartphone to teach a lot of young people in Africa how to use computer the same way other people are using computer. Yes. So it will run for 3 months. Each enrollment will be running for 3 months and completely 100% free. As long as you have the internet or you have access to data and a smartphone, definitely this class is going to be for you and you can learn from wherever you are. So in that way, I'm already trying to find ways of creating jobs, because that will definitely give you an edge or an added advantage in the jobs you are applying for. Yes.
Okay. How does one reach out to that? How does one get to be a part of that? If I want maybe to learn this computer, how to use a computer, how to work with it, those courses that you're giving, how do I get to access them?
Application will be rolled out very soon, because currently I'm still carrying out a pilot study with teachers and tutors and students of Christ the King PTC who are already benefiting the program.
Okay.
So I plan to begin with the rest due to the success the project is having. I want to enroll more people starting February 2022.
Okay.
So before the end of January, application will be rolled out in about 1 or 2 weeks from now.
Okay.
Then you can, or anyone who wants to apply can apply. My contacts, I think I'm going to give at the end of this program. You can also reach out to me. Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
All right. So how you're teaching them how to use the computers, how to apply, to use all those kinds of things when it comes to computers? Is that what they're going through?
Yes, in a computer there are basics applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. These are the three major applications which are used in any offices around the globe. Yes.
Okay.
So it is the very applications I teach you how to use right from your smartphone, because all those applications can also be installed in your smartphone. Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. I know there's a lot of not just students actually, who students definitely may be interested in this because they also have to sit exams with it and go into the class. You may not understand. Some people don't have the computers in their schools, but apart from that, also know a number of adults, especially certain generation, may not have been exposed so much to the computers. So that's something they always look forward to. Oh, where are the classes? Where are the classes? We want to learn how to do this. And I think this is very important since actually you're giving it for free. Is it for free?
It is for free. Yes.
Right.
Free.
I think it's something that people, many people out there may be interested. So take this opportunity up. Now, I want to take us back to besides this is one project you're working on.
Yes, please.
Yes, but what already is taking place is the ones that you host. I think I've seen a couple of videos of you posting it on YouTube. The mindset change. What exactly would you say is talked about there? Besides, the fact that people should change their mind. Are there like certain topics you have or engagements you have with people? And let's say I have this skill and how do I apply it? What kind of things happen there in those discussions?
In mindset change for young Africans, the videos I do post them, I choose a topic. Like maybe if I'm going to talk about innovation, I talked about innovation and what you can do to be an innovator, or what the government can also do to motivate innovation or innovators. Okay, but starting this year going on, because right now I'm still on the evaluation impact assessment, which is ending today. Then tomorrow I'm going to have online discussion of the project. For the 31 days I've been running the project, the impact it is having on young people. So we will be discussing live via Google Meet, where we will discuss how we can improve on this project. And then the project is also planning to start bringing in people who are already somewhere. They are successful and people can see them. They have come with innovation, and their innovation are employing others. For example, we all know about Taka plastics. Okay, they're making face mask out of what?
Out of the plastic.
Out of the plastic waste.
I think we've had plastics here before.
Yes.
The CEO.
Yes. The CEO was here, and the new technology again they're working on is making cement out of plastic.
Oh wow.
Yes. So those are the kind of people, when we bring them as a company in this project, they talk to people, then our young people will start to believe in themselves that everything is possible, because they have to tell people how they started, the challenges they had, and where they are heading. So that means we will learn that failure is not the end of everything. Definitely you're going to fail. If you want to be an innovator, failure is guaranteed. But from failure, then you will learn from it. And as part of the strategies of this company, Jok-Code AI, I've put the first 5 years to be the year of failure. Yes, the year of failure. Not that we are going to fail, but we start something, we do it, we see if it is successful, or if we fail, we come back, we start again. We don't quit. Okay, we don't quit. Again, we start. We are not starting from zero now. We are starting from where we have ended. So in the first 5 years is the year of failure and learning. Yes. So that is what I'm trying to do. Now, also in relation to the question you asked, how this company is going to create jobs. Looking at the AI technologies, AI is creating a lot of jobs opportunities to millions and millions of people globally, more especially in the developed countries, even here in Africa, even here in Uganda, even here in Gulu. We have a company called Sama Uganda Limited. It's here in Gulu. I also work there if projects are available. And they're employing over 300, 400, or 500 people here in Gulu. So that means if we are able to implement or to set this company to manage the entire machine learning life cycle, this company in the next 5, 10, or 15 years to come will be employing thousands to millions of people. You see that? So there are a lot of opportunities which are coming, because the company will need engineers, software developers, will need data notators, we need data analysts, okay, and a lot of different categories of people to work and develop this kind of initiative. So it is really going to create a number of jobs opportunities to millions of young Africans. Yes.
All right, not to mention those who start there as inspired by this. You say this started on in September. That's about. It has been about. You've been operating for since then, September.
Yes.
23rd
September. So
September.
I've been working to. I'm developing it.
Yeah. So it's been a couple of months now.
Yes.
A few months.
A few months. But there are a lot of things now which you are, as you can hear, from within the short period, a lot of things which are going on.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. So how is that going now? The reception now.